Hey guys, Snake here with another garage sale haul. Um, Probably not one of our best hauls. We've been having some pretty lackluster hauls the last couple weeks, but we're still finding stuff. Like last week, we found the Wii U and stuff like that. But there still are some money makers here, so let's go through them real quick. All right, so for those of you guys don't know, Littlest Pet Shop used to be very popular, and we used to sell not only the little pets but also like the buildings and stuff like that you can get. um, but unfortunately, the buildings or the houses or whatever you want to call them don't really sell too much anymore. But the Littlest Pet Shops, or I'm sorry, the Littlest Pets, I guess, they sell like crazy. So we picked up all this here, for $4, and it'll probably, man, I would say probably about $60, I would say, in pets here. So, definitely a good flip. Move these out of the way here if I can. All right, these guns here also, these little, I believe they're called the little Rivals, if I remember correctly, or the Mavericks, not the Rivals, the N-Strike Mavericks. Yeah, I believe that's what they're called. Yeah, the Rev 6s. Yep. Anyway, so we usually buy them anywhere between a quarter to $1 each. We don't really pay much more than that. A lot of four of them sell for about $24, $24.99. So they're, so that's not too bad. Usually a $4 investment, let's say at the most, to make about 20. So those are usually good flippers right there. All right, here's something interesting. This is the first one I've ever seen of these. This is an actual Coca-Cola electronic bank, and I guess when you put money in it and stuff like that, it'll make sounds and whatnot. We paid $1 for this. This sells for about $29.99, but I'm not quite sure if I'm going to sell that yet or not. I probably will, but I do like it a lot. It is missing this little window that goes right here, but they still sell for a good price, $29.99. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell that yet or not. Okay, we got let me see, what did we get here? I'm missing something, hold on. Okay, let's see. All right, this is for the wife here. She bought some new bras at the yard sale, so she's happy about that. Women always need their bras. I'm not gonna tell you what size they are because that would be inappropriate. I don't want to make anyone jealous. Anyway, so we did find some games here. I'm trying to remember what we bought these. Oh, I remember. Okay, so the Nerf guns and these games. So we actually paid less than $1 each for these because we bought 12 items at $1 a piece, and we offered 12. I'm sorry, we offered 10. So we did save $2. So we have a couple Wii games here and a couple Xbox games. You guys can take a look. G.I. Joe, Pirates of the Caribbean, Medal of Honor, Star Wars, Obi-Wan, The Core Gang, Boom Blocks, Midnight Club 3, and Big Bumpin'. So we got that. All right. Picked this little vintage piece up from Disney for 25 cents. I was thinking it would go for probably about 24 or 29. It only goes for about $14. So, but still, only a quarter. This right here is also for the wife. Under the Influence. That was, I think, 50 cents. So, all right. And then, let's see, we got some hats here. We got an Under Armour Bulls hat for USF. That was $1. That'll probably sell for about $19.99 to $24.99. Brand new Harley Davidson cap, fitted, embroidered. That was $1. We'll probably sell that for 24 to 30. And we have A baseball cap here. There you go. That was also a buck. All right, these are a good money maker here. Here's some Nike Mercurials. Look like some running shoes or some kind of sport shoes. Anyway, when we look these up, they can sell anywhere between what, 60 to 140. We saw, yeah, paid $2 for those,
and they're practically brand new.
Yeah, so these will make us a pretty good buck there. All right, that's something that we bought for the mother-in-law. She's been looking for a stand-up rotisserie. It's a little dirty, but it'll clean up nice, I'm sure. Everything should work on it. At least that's what the lady said. And I think we only paid $2 for that. So that's actually a very good price for it, especially if it works. All right, now this one's going to make us a bunch of money too. These guys here, this is a lot of 32 Monster High dolls. Okay. And we sell, I believe, a lot of 5 dolls for $24 or $29.99. So we made quite a bit of money, probably about 100 plus on this particular deal. We paid $35 for 32 of them, so it was a little over, maybe $1.10. But anyway, like I said, we sell 5 of them for $24 to $29.99, and they fly off pretty quick. So anyway, so that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. Until next time.